Mechanical keyboard or normal keyboard? Which one should you buy? If you've ever typed on a keyboard and wondered why some feel absolutely amazing while others just feel boring, then this video is for you. We're breaking down the differences so you can pick the perfect one for your setup. Let's start with what most people are familiar with. Normal keyboards, also known as membrane keyboards. Underneath these keys, there's a thin, soft, rubber membrane. When you press a key, this rubber layer collapses and sends a signal to your computer. This design is why they feel so soft and quiet. They're usually lightweight, super affordable, and honestly, they're perfect for general office work, students, and everyday tasks. If you just need something to get the job done without any fuss, a membrane keyboard is a solid choice. But there are some downsides. Membrane keyboards tend to wear out faster. Over time, those keys can start to feel a bit mushy, and if you're a fast typist or a gamer, it can feel less accurate. A big issue is something called ghosting, where if you press many keys at once, some of your key presses might not even register. That's a huge problem for gaming and fast-paced work. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the exciting world of mechanical keyboards. These are built differently. Under every single key, there's an individual mechanical switch. Each switch has its own spring and mechanism, which gives you incredible feedback and precision with every press. This means a faster response time, much better durability, and a typing experience that is just so satisfying. It's no wonder they're so popular with gamers, programmers, and content creators who spend all day typing. One of the coolest things about mechanical keyboards is the customization. You can choose different types of switches to match your preference. Do you like a loud, satisfying click with every press? Go for clicky switches! Want a noticeable bump without the noise? Tactile switches are for you! Prefer a smooth, quiet press all the way down? Linear switches are your best bet. Plus, many mechanical keyboards come with awesome RGB lighting and replaceable keycaps so you can truly make your keyboard your own. Of course! They aren't perfect for everyone! Mechanical keyboards are usually more expensive than their membrane counterparts. They can also be quite loud, especially those clicky which might not be ideal if you're in a quiet office or a shared living space. So, how do you choose? It really comes down to your needs. If you want something quiet, simple, and budget-friendly for everyday use, a normal membrane keyboard is a great option. But if you type a lot, play competitive games, or just want a premium, enjoyable typing experience that will last for years, a mechanical keyboard is absolutely worth the investment. If you're curious, but don't want to break the bank, there are some fantastic beginner-friendly mechanical keyboards out there. Models like the Redragon K552 or the Cosmic Byte GK16 offer amazing performance without costing a fortune. I'll leave links to some of my top recommendations in the description below for you to check out. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more simple tech comparisons and honest recommendations. See you in the next one.